evening, sir. I will show the final project of our group. This is the database. Database and then product. Single table product. So we have the product structure here. The barcode names and then here, table. That's our database. So now let's proceed the Visual Studio Code. We have Form 1. I will try to have the working station. Now let's run our program. So first we had to log in. Admin. And then the password. Then log in. Let's try again. Password. The exact password. So here, let's go. So it's been displayed. Now we need to input the first product. There. We have the second product and we have the total here also. Total, quantity, price, and then we need to input the product, second product. We have the second product here. There. The charger. The third product we have nine, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have the third product, the headphone. So we have 3 products here, 170, then ang charger 150, 47,000 our laptop here. The overall total here 47,325. Now let's try this text amount paid 47,320 320.75. So it shows the change is 0 because sakto naman siya. Okay, we have to pay 50,000. Try. Okay, it shows the change. Also, the change. And then, what else? The underpayment. For example, we pay 48,000 only. Okay, 40,000. That's insufficient payment. It responds insufficient payment. And then we have also here another feature. Here, the invalid input. So if we try to input invalid input or invalid amount, it invalid amount there, valid amount. So we taste it all, the text amount here, the total, and here the information of our product, and then the change, and now we try to this receipt. It will clear all here the information, the product and here. Overall, it will receipt. 1, 2, receipt. Okay. It is being receipt. So that I think that's all, and thank you so much, sir, and God bless. God bless all. God bless you, sir. Thank you.